Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log out your account from old devices. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Open Facebook and tap Settings icon. Now click on See More Account Center. Now again click on Password and Security. After that, click on where you are logged in. Now here you need to select your any account. Here you can see all your old devices in which you had logged in your Facebook account. To log out, simply click on any one of your devices. After that, click on Logout. In this way, you can log out your Facebook account from your old devices. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.